In this video I'm going to show you how to reset mouse settings in Windows 11. So what you need to do is go to the search bar down on the taskbar and then search for control panel. Now once you have opened your control panel, then go to view by and select large icons. Now once we have done that, search for the mouse option. It is over here. Select the mouse option and as you can see, this window will be opened. Now go to pointers. Once you have opened pointers, then you can click on use default option. Now as you can see, we have reset it to the default options and then just click on apply. And once you have done that, the mouse settings will be resetted to the default settings. And this is how you reset your mouse settings in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.